In this video, we will present the measure tool. Using the measure tool, you can calculate the distance between any 2 points within the design area. You can start the measure tool using this ruler on your left-hand toolbar. When you start measure tool, the cursor turns into a cross, and if you click and drag it, it will measure from the point upon which you clicked to wherever you have dragged it to. When you release the left click, the measuring stops. The tool is activated for as long as you need it, therefore the cursor remains across for you to make all the measuring that you need. When you're done using the measurement tool, you can right-click once to release the tool, or click on any other tool and the tool is automatically released. You can also use the F9 hotkey to start the measure tool. Notice that as soon as you turn on the measure tool, there is a convenient flyout for the rectangle selection tool on which you can click to let go of the ruler. Notice that my measurement was in metric system, that is, I used millimeters and centimeters. But you can also select to work with inches. Another thing that can give you a sense of size is the grid. In case the grid is not enabled, you may do so through the View menu. Finally, when you select one or more objects, you can see the width and height of the whole selection on the Tools options.